ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि पेज नंबर 93 श्लोक 94. In 93rd shloka it was said, those who are praman vihinah अन्यथावादिनः, they are like jatyandhaha, and for them gaja, elephant, is not known, so they will do varieties of kalpana. In the same way, those who do not know pratyagatma tattvam, either you can start from tvam or jagat karanam tatpada, they will do many kalpanas about atma as well as jagat karanam. They are anukampaniyaha. They are worth showering compassion. Shochyaha, shochaniyaha. सीटी का नाम. न्यायेन स्वसिद्धांत व्यवस्थापकाः कथं शोच्याः स्युः इत्याशंक्य. Someone says they are using yukti. न्यायेन स्वसिद्धांत व्यवस्थापकाः, they are doing their own siddhanta siddhi vyavastha, means pratipadanam. How they are shochyaha, how they are worthy of grieving, pitiable they are. कथम शोच्याः स्युः इति आशंक्य. श्रुति न्यायाभ्याम निर्णीतस्यार्थस्य तर्काभासैरसंभव करणात्. श्रुति न्यायाभ्याम, what is already known through Shruti, Upanishads, and Nyaya, Yukti. Shruti Nyayabhyam Nirnitasya Arthasya, that Brahma Tattva, which is abhinna from Pratyagatma, that we have arrived at, Nirnita, that is concluded, Arthasya. Tarkabhasaihi Asambhava Karanat, using Tarkabhasa, which we saw in the previous shloka, Tarkabhasaihi Asambhava Karanat. Asambhava, they say, no, this Pratyagatma cannot be Brahma. Jagat Karanam cannot be Pratyagatma. In this way, they will do Asambhava with the help of Tarka. False, Abhasa Tarka. Asambhava Karanat, Shocyatvam, they are worthy of grieving. What is already concluded through Shruti and Yukti, in that you give false logic to disprove it. That's why that's why they are worthy of grieving. Ityaha Moolam Pramanopapannasyarthasya Sambhavanat Tadanukampaniyatva Siddhihi. Praman Upapannasya Arthasya. Praman Upapanna Artha is Jiva Brahma Aikya. Praman means Shruti Praman. Vedanta Pramana. That artha they will do asambhavana. So they are doing asambhavana, showing the objections, doubts in this. Asambhavanat tad anukampaniyatva siddhi. That they are worthy of grieving or they deserve compassion, its siddhi is done. Tika. Shruti Nyayabhyam Nirnitam Arthamaha. Now somebody will ask, okay, what is that artha? Shruti Nyayabhyam Nirnitam Arthaha Kaha. So he says, Tadetadaha Yad Yad Visheshanam Drashtam Natmanas Tadananvayat. Next word is Khasya. Khasya Kumbhadivat Tasma Datmasyan Nirvisheshanaha. Yad Yad Visheshanam Drashtam Natmanastadανanvayat Khasya Kumbhadivat Tasma Datmasyan Nirvisheshanaha. Yad Yad Visheshanam Drashtam Atmanastad Ananvayat. Any Visheshana that is seen with Atma, its Anvaya does not happen with Atma. Tasmad Atma Nirvisheshanaha Syat. Therefore, Atma is Nirvisheshanaha, means Nirvisheshaha. Drishtanta Khasya Kumbhadivat. Kha Akasha. Akashasya Kumbhadivat Ananvayat. Kumbhadi Saha Anvayo na bhavati. Akasha and Ghata. We say Ghatakasha. Akasha becomes Visheshya. Ghata is Visheshana. Karakakasha, Guhakasha. So many Visheshanas we give for Akasha. Akasha has no association with Visheshanas. It is always Nirvisheshana. In the same way, Atma also. This is the Shruti Artha. Atma is Nirvishesha. Because it is Nirvishesha, see, what is the objective of Visheshana?
Distinction.
Vyavartakatvam. Visheshanatvam. Visheshana is for Vyavartanam. If you want to give Visheshana for Atma, you will have to do Vyavritti of Atma from something else. Then what is that something else? There is nothing other than Atma. Therefore, Atma does not have any Visheshana. And Atma is Ekaha. So in one there are no Visheshanas. If someone uses those, they are only for Vacharambhanam. Like Ghatakasha, Karakakasha, Kumbhakasha, they are all Vacharambhana only. Tika. Yatha Ghatakasha, Karakakasha, iti yatra Akasha Visheshani Bhuta. Ghatadibhir Ananvayad Akashasya Nirvisheshatvam. Evam Ghato Bhati Ityadau Bhana. That is second part. Up to this, let us see. Just as Ghatakasha, Karakakasha, iti atra Akasha Visheshani Bhuta Ghatadibhi. Akasha will have all these Visheshana, Ghata, Karaka, Kumbha, Guha, etc. Akashasya ananvayat. Akasha does not have anvaya with any of them. Therefore, Akasha is nirvishesha. Nirvisheshatvam Akashasya. एवं in the same way, घटो भाति इत्यादौ भान विशेषणी भूत घटादीनां भानैक्य अभावात्. घटो भाति इत्यादौ, in all of them. घटो भाति, पटो भाति. See, if we say Ghatakasha, Ghata is seemingly associated with Akasha, but really not. Okay. Now, Ghato Bhati. In this, Ghata is Visheshana for Bhanam. Bhana Visheshani Bhuta Ghatadina. Bhanaikya Abhavat. Bhana Swabhavasya Atmano Nirvisheshatvam Siddham Ityarthaha. Bhanaikya Abhavat. Ghatadinam Bhanena Aikya Abhavat. Ghata and Bhana, they cannot come together. Ghato Bhati. That Bhanam, Sphuranam, is actually not associated with Ghata. Just as Akasha and Ghata are not associated. Ghato Bhati. Now this part is not given in Shloka. He has just given Ghato Bhati. So Bhanaikya Bhavat, Bhana Swabhava Atma. Atma which is Bhana Swarupa. Nirvisheshatvam Siddham. That Atma is Nirvishesha. So this kind of usage also, Chaitrasya Atma, Maitrasya Atma, Devadattasya Atma, Mama Atma, Tava Atma, Anyasya Atma, there is no Visheshana. There is one Atma. Further, Atmano Bheda Bhasa Samsparshe Hetvantaram Aha. Atma does not have Bhed Abhasa Samsparsha. In Atma there are no Bheda. That is the main thing. Now, about Bheda, a question can be raised. Let's say there is Ghata and Pata. Ghatasya Bhedaha Pate Vartate.
Yes.
Yes.
Ghatasya Bheda Pate. So, Ghato Patat Bhinnaha. Pato Ghatat Bhinnaha. This buddhi comes. Ghata cannot have its own Bheda. Ghata cannot have same Ghatasya Bheda. Ghata can have Anya Ghatasya Bheda. But Swasya Bheda na sambhavati. Okay. So now, if between Ghata Pata, Ghatasya Bhedo Pate, Ghatasya Asya Ghatasya Bhedo Asmin Ghate na vartate. This Ghata's Bheda is not in this Ghata. This Ghata's Bheda is in something which is Ghatat Bhinnam. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Now the question is, Ghatat Bhinnam. How do you prove this is Pata is Ghatat Bhinna? To prove Pata is Ghatat Bhinna, you need Ghata Bheda in Pata. For Bheda to stay, it needs Bhinna. For Bhinna to be proved, it needs Bheda. Bheda will go there where something is Bhinna. Because Swasya Bheda is not possible. So Bheda will be in Bhinna. That Bhinna is proved before Bheda or after Bheda.
After Bheda.
With
After.
Bheda. It is together.
One cannot come before the other.
Cannot explain.
Anya dependence.
Which means there is no Bheda. Bheda is not real. Because you will have this problem. To find Bheda, you need Bhinna. To prove Bhinna, you need Bheda. Or you can think differently. Same thing, but think differently. This is Ghata, this is Pata. Okay. Ghatasya Bhedo Pate. And Patasya Bhedo Ghate. Which one will come first? When Pata is Bhinna from Ghata, it is known, then the Bheda will come here. Right? If we say, no, they are simultaneous. Ghata-nishtha pata-bheda. Ghata-nishtha pata-bheda. And pata-nishtha ghata-bheda. Ghata-nishtha pata-bheda. Pata-nishtha ghata-bheda. Ghata-nishtha pata-bheda means in ghata there is bheda of pata. Bheda of pata means that pata is different from ghata. That bheda is staying in ghata. Because bheda of others can stay in ghata. Bheda of itself cannot stay. For this knowledge that ghata has pata bheda, this jnana requires that pata has ghata bheda. Ghata nishtha pata bheda jnana requires pata nishtha ghata bheda jnanam. This is Anyanya Ashraya. And if we say, if someone says, no, we will not take Anyanya Ashraya, we will take another one, then it will be Anavastha dosha. So in this way, Acharyas, they have eliminated the possibility of Bheda. That's why now you read the Mool line. Atascha Atmano Bheda Samsparsho Bhedasya Mithya Swabhavyat. Ataha, therefore, Atmanaha Bheda Samsparsha. Bhedena Asamsparsha. Atma has no samsparsha with Bheda. Why bhedasya mithya swabhavyat? Because bheda is of mithya swarupa, mithya swabhava. Okay, if I understand bheda is mithya, what should I do now? Between Chaitra and Maitra, bheda is mithya. Now what should Chaitra do?
Pravilapya.
Nothing.
Maitra related udvega, dvesha, should not bother Chaitra. This is what should happen. This is one way Sangati is done. Okay. Yadva in Tika, another is given. Visheshananam atma samsparshitve api अन्यत्वेन स्वरूपेण संभवो अंगीकृत इति शंका व्यावृत्त्यर्थम आह. All the Visheshanas, they are not Atma Samsparshi, they are Atma Asamsparshi. Okay, Purvapaksha says that may be true, but they are existing independently. Anyatvena Swarupena Sambhavo Angikritah. Anatma Swarupena exists. It doesn't affect Atma. Okay. Ghata does not affect Akasha or Rajo, Dhuma, etc. in Akasha doesn't affect Akasha. But that does not mean Rajo, Dhuma are not there. They are there. They are very much there. This Shanka Vyavritti is done with the next shloka. So both ways Sangati you can have. Avagatyatmano yasma dagama pai kumbhavat sahankaramidam vishvam tasmat tatsyat kachadivat. Avagatyatmano yasma dagama pai kumbhavat sahankaramidam vishvam tasmat tatsyat kachadivat. Yasmat atmanah avagati kumbhavat tasmat sahankaramidam vishvam kachadivat syat. Yasmat, since atmanah avagati, the knowledge, avagati literally means knowledge. Atmanah, so Tikakar adds one word, sakashat. In the proximity of Atma. The Atmanah avagati with Visheshana, whatever Visheshana that you add, is Agama Pai. It has arrival departure. Utpatti Nasha. Like Kumbha, like Ghatakasha, a Ghata, just take Ghata. Ghata also has Agama Paitvam, arrival departure, Utpatti Nasha. Like that, Savishesha Jnanam of Atma is Utpatti Nashavat. Therefore, really speaking, Atma has no sambandha with those Visheshanas. if you take karmadhare between avagati and atma, means avagati will become not visheshana. Avagatischa atma cha iti avagatischa asau atma cha iti avagatyatma tasya avagatyatmanah. This is another way of defining. Atma, which is Jnana Swarupa, in that the entire Jagat, Sahankaram idam Vishwam, Agamapai. In Jnana Rupa Atma, entire Vishwa is along with Ahankara. Ahankarena Saha iti Sahankaram idam Vishwam Kachadivat Kumbhavat. Agamapai like Kumbha, and Mithyatva like Kachadivat. Anvaya.
What, Swamiji?
Hmm?
Kachadi means?
I'll tell. In Tika they have given Keshondraka. It should be clear now what is Keshondraka. Kachadi is not clear. Keshondraka is even bigger, difficult word. Kachadi means if you close your eyes and then just press them a little and then you open, so you will see some figures like the hair, the hairs which come out, and people, they, like ladies, they tie like this and then they throw it. Like that, you see something when you press your eyes, some round things. There's nothing in it. That is called kacha. That's why in Tika it is Keshondraka. Kesha Undraka. So, like the lump of hair, but like thing. There is no hair. Because in the eyes you see some circles. Just like Alat Chakra. There is nothing. Like that Jagat is, along with Ahankar, means this Aham. Yasmat avagatyatmanah sahankaram idam vishwam kumbhavat agamapai tasmat kachadivat tatsyat. This is the Anvaya. Avagatyatmanah. Avagati is Atma. Atma, which is Jnana Swarupa. And then you take Shashti only for that Atma. See Tika. Main point is Jagat is Mithya along with Ahankara. Ahankara is Satyam and Jagat is Mithya. That means Vedanta has not touched me. There are some such students of Vedanta. Vedanta does not touch them. They are changeless, like Brahman. Eva only. Avagatyatmanah sakashat sahankaram idam vishwam kumbhavat agamapai. This vishwam, along with the ahankara, is like kumbha agamapai, as arrival departure, utpatti vinashavat, utpatti vinashavan. Ataeva kumbha vat na atma swarupam. Just as kumbha is not atma, sahankaram idam vishwam na atma. उत्पत्ति विनाशवत और उत्पत्ति विनाशशीलत्वात् कुंभवत ततः केशोंड्रकादिवत बाध्यम इत्यर्थः. Therefore it is badhyam. It is anatma. According to Vedanta, anatma does not have swatantra satta. Therefore it is badhyam. This is one way. Because in Sangati there were two Sangatis. So now explanation he gives Yadva. Yasmad atmanaha sakashat sahankaram idam vishwam kumbhavad agamapai. Since in the proximity of Atma, any Visheshana that comes to Atma or otherwise, Sahankaram idam Vishwam is Agamapai, has arrival departure, like Kumbha. Agamapai taya siddhyati. Tad Vishwam tataha. Therefore the Vishwam is Keshondrakadivat Swarupam na bhavati. Ityartha. It cannot become my Swarupa. So in the first explanation, he says, in the first interpretation, Anatma is Mithya. In the second interpretation, Anatma is different from Atma. This much is said. In the second interpretation, it is said, what is Agamapai is Anatma, like Kumbha. What is Drishya, like Keshondrakadivat, is Anatma. So, yatra yatra agamapaitvam, yatra yatra drishyatvam, tatra tatra anatmatvam. This is the meaning of the second explanation. The first explanation says, yatra yatra agamapaitvam, tatra tatra anatmatvam, tasman mithyatvam. Yatra yatra drishyatvam, tatra anatmatvam, tasman mithyatvam. So he adds mithyatva also, because according to Vedanta, what is Agamapai is Mithya. What is Drishya is Mithya. What is Agamapai means? Adavante cha yan nasti. Vartamane pi tattatha. So both fourth and fifth karika. Fourth karika has Drishyatva hetu. Fifth karika has Agamapaitva hetu. Second chapter of Mandukya. They both are included here.
Sixth karika.
Fifth and sixth, okay. Or fourth and sixth.
Adavante sixth one.
Fourth karika bhashya is given, Drishyatva hetu. And sixth karika. So this much you understand. Nanu tarhi atmano anvay vyatireka lakshananumana vyaparadhina siddhikatvat. It's a big sentence. Big pada. Atmanaha anvay vyatireka lakshana anumana vyapara adhina. This is karmadharaya samasa. Anvay vyatireka lakshanam eva अनुमान व्यापारः. अन्वय व्यतिरेक लक्षणों अनुमान व्यापारः. अनुमान requires some अन्वय व्यतिरेक. धूम सत्वे वन्य सत्वम, धूमा भावे वन्य भावः. Something like that you can say. और धूम सत्वे वन्य सत्वम, वन्य भावे धूमा भाव. When dhuma is there, vanya has to be there. If vanya is not there, dhuma cannot be there. So he says, like this, you are also doing some anumana to do atma siddhi. Anumana vyapar adhina siddhikaha atma. Atma siddhi depends upon some anumana vyapara. Then atmanaha swaprakashatva abhyapagamo bhajyeta. Then atma is swaprakasha. You don't need anumana pramana for something which is swaprakasha. So that swaprakashatva स्वीकार भज्येत इति अत आह सर्वस्य एव अनुमान व्यापारस्य फलम यद एव यद विवेक ग्रहणम. अनुमान व्यापार फलम is to get viveka between atma and anatma. This viveka grahanam, we are not establishing the swarupa of atma through anumana pramana. Anumana pramana is for viveka. You will be able to separate atma anatma through anvaya vyatireka. That is the objective of anumana. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.